Hey guys, in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to delete a Visa gift card or Visa card from your PS4. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so the first step you want to do is to turn on your PS4 and then log into the account that has the Visa card you want to remove. And then from there, go to settings. So from the main menu, navigate to the settings option. It's the icon that looks like a toolbox. And then you want to select account management. So in the settings menu, scroll down and select account management. And then from there, choose account information from the account management menu. And then with the account information menu, find and select wallet. In the wallet menu, select payment methods. This will show you all the payment methods linked to your account. Find the Visa card you want to remove from the list of payment methods and select it. Once you've selected that Visa card, choose the option to delete or remove it from your account. And then from there, you want to confirm deletion. So you might need to enter your PSN account password to complete the process. And then what you need to do is to go back to the payment methods section and to ensure the Visa card has been successfully removed. If by any chance you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can also visit the PlayStation support website, playstation.com/support, or contact their customer service for more help.